Di sebuah mobil taksi, kita diperlihatkan Deadpool yang sedang mengobrol dengan Dopper, sopir asal India yang hobi makan seblak. Dopper mencoba berbasa-basi dan dengan polos bertanya, apakah setelan merah terang Deadpool itu untuk acara Halloween? Deadpool menjawab bahwa itu tidak ada hubungannya dengan Halloween, melainkan untuk menutupi wajahnya yang buruk rupa. Dia secara dramatis mengangkat topengnya untuk memperlihatkan sekilas penampilannya yang seperti kentang goreng. Di sisi lain, kita diperlihatkan seorang mutan bernama Ajax yang sedang berurusan dengan klien. Klien tersebut kesal karena Ajax gagal mengirimkan barang tepat waktu. Alih-alih meminta maaf seperti pengusaha normal, Ajax mencekik pria itu dan menyatakan bahwa dia akan mengirimkan barang kapanpun dia mau. Klien itu pergi sambil mengumpat bahwa semua mutan sama saja. Adegan kembali ke Deadpool yang tiba-tiba ingat dia meninggalkan tasnya yang penuh senjata di rumah. Untungnya dia masih memiliki 2 pedang dan sebuah pistol dengan 12 peluru yang menurutnya lebih dari cukup.
Merry Christmas. Whose balls did I have to fondle to get my very own movie? I can't tell you, but it does rhyme with pulverine.
Maximum effort.
Have you seen this man?
Cooler weather.
Cockshot!
I'm looking for Francis.
Yankee!
I've never said this, but don't swallow.
Did I leave the stove on?
A multi-car collision turns shots fired on the Crosstown Expressway this morning.
Deadpool. Negasonic, come! When will he grow up and see benefits of becoming X-Men?
You may be wondering why the red suit. Well, that's so bad guys can't see me bleed. 10, 9. Bad Deadpool. 7. Good Deadpool. 6. I'm touching myself tonight. Where you at, Francis? Well, I may be super, but I am no hero. I gotta take you back to long before I squeeze this ass into red spandex.
Film beralih ke kilas balik 2 tahun sebelumnya. Kita diperkenalkan dengan Wade Wilson atau Deadpool yang dulunya seorang tentara dan dikeluarkan karena suka main slot.
Out of the woods.
Tanpa pekerjaan tetap, ia akhirnya menjadi seorang tentara bayaran yang membuatnya lebih seperti penjahat daripada seorang pahlawan. Tetapi orang-orang tetap menyebutnya pahlawan karena ia bekerja untuk kaum miskin atau tertindas. Deadpool pergi ke bar tempat temannya, yaitu Wessel yang bekerja sebagai bartender.
I'd love a blowjob.
Oh God, me too.
The drink, loose knuckle.
All right, whipped cream.
Take that over to Buck, please, and tell him it's from Booth. Cheers.
He's still breathing.
You bet on me to die. Wow.
Whoa, baby.
What's a nice place like you doing and a girl like this?
I'd hit that.
Okay. Hey, ho. Go cast a spell.
Daddy left before I was born.
Daddy left before I was conceived. I watched my own birthday party through the keyhole of a locked closet, which also happens to be
Your
mine.
bedroom.
What can I get for $275?
Maybe about 48 minutes of whatever the f you want.
Prepare to lose tragically.
Bring it, big man.
Okay. I had this sucker for a while. Milady?
I hate to break it to you, but your 48 minutes are up.
What do we do with the remaining 2 minutes 37 seconds?
Menjelang Natal, Wilson percaya dia telah menemukan belahan jiwanya dan melamar Vanessa dengan cincin.
Stick it
Marry
in
me? I do. Nowhere.
Vanessa terharu dan untuk sesaat rasanya seperti akhir film komedi romantis. Tetapi dongeng itu hancur. Wilson tiba-tiba pingsan dan Vanessa segera membawanya ke rumah sakit. Para dokter menyampaikan kabar terburuk kalau Wilson menderita kanker yang telah menyebar ke paru-paru dan hatinya. Vanessa terkejut dan menolak menerima diagnosis tersebut. Vanessa yakin pasti ada solusinya karena pamannya pernah menderita kanker dan selamat.
Lines up the shot.
Incoming!
Whole new level!
Wade and Wilson.
Yeah, like I got bit by a radioactive Shar-Pei.
Maybe I made you immortal.
Dad?
This is my most prized possession.
Am I supposed to just smile and wave you out the door?
Think of it like spring cleaning.
You're not going anywhere.
Cancer's only in my liver, lungs, prostate, and brain. All things I can live without. I want you to remember me, not the ghost of Christmas me.
We can fight this.
Wheatgrass, excellent for the immune system.
Jesus Christ, you sound like Vanessa. You know how they say cancer in Spanish?
No.
El cancer.
Oh. And that guy over there came in looking for you. I don't know, might further the plot.
Mr. Wilson.
Can I help you? Besides luring children into a panel van.
Sorry you've had such a...
What do you want?
I represent an organization that may be able to help. What if I told you we can cure your cancer? We will make you better than better.
We're within 500 yards of a school, so you may want to,
Hey, what's going on?
I had a Liam Neeson nightmare. Dreamt I kidnapped his daughter. He just wasn't having it.
He made 3 of those movies. At some point you have to wonder if he's just a bad parent.
The worst part about cancer isn't what it does to you, but what it does to the people you love.
You've been warned before, Deadpool.
You are...
Negasonic Teenage Warhead.
What the shit? Let me guess. X-Men left you behind on what?
Come quietly.
You big chrome cock gobbler!
That's not nice.
Nobody's getting hurt.
Use your powers for good.
Heads up.
Be a superhero. Wait.
Hey.
Zip it, Sinead. Cock shot. Oh, your poor wife.
Do you have off switch?
Yeah, it's right next to the prostate.
Let us go talk to the professor.
McAvoy or Stewart? These timelines are so confusing. Oh, there's the money shot, baby. It back to one big bad decision.
This seems sanitary. I'm thinking pork and beans.
Angel Dust mengikat Wilson, sementara Ajax pemimpin eksperimen menyiapkan jarum suntik. Dia dengan tenang menjelaskan bahwa mereka menyuntikkan sesuatu yang dirancang untuk membangkitkan gen mutan dan memaksa tubuh Wilson untuk bertransformasi. Ajax menjelaskan bahwa setelah kanker hilang, tubuh Wilson akan bertransformasi dan memiliki kekuatan super mutan. Namun, dia memperingatkan bahwa tidak semua orang selamat dari mutasi tersebut. Terkadang eksperimen gagal total. Agar berhasil, mereka harus mendorong Wilson ke ambang rasa sakit yang tak tertahankan. Mereka memukulinya, menyentrumnya, dan bahkan membiarkannya terendam dalam air yang membeku. Memaksa tubuhnya untuk menahan penderitaan sampai kekuatan penyembuhan tersembunyi di dalam dirinya terpicu. Tapi sepertinya tidak ada yang berhasil. Hari-hari berlalu dan Wilson tetap tidak berubah. Suatu malam, saat berbicara dengan tahanan lain, dia mengakui bahwa orang-orang ini tidak kenal ampun. Saat itu, Ajax datang. Dia marah karena Wilson belum bermutasi. Dia menyatakan bahwa eksperimen malam ini akan membangkitkan kekuatan Wilson atau membunuhnya.
How tough can he be with a name like Francis? He got Ajax from a dish soap.
Well, sew your pretty mouth shut.
Oh.
If this doesn't unlock your mutation, then, well, nothing will. And that's where we'll leave you. This workshop doesn't make superheroes. We make super slaves. You're never going home after this. Enjoy your weekend.
Weekend? Back up.
Did I say this was a love story? It's a horror movie.
I've cured you, Wade. Your mutated cells can heal anything. It's attacking your cancer as fast as it can form. Yeah, I've seen similar side effects before. I could cure them, but where's the fun in that? Off you go.
I didn't just get the cure to L cancer. I got the cure to L everything.
Wilson muncul dari reruntuhan, tubuhnya telah sembuh total. Bahkan batang baja yang menusuknya tidak meninggalkan jejak, tetapi wajahnya terluka parah, menderita tetapi tetap hidup. Setelah itu, Wilson segera ingin menemui Vanessa. Dalam perjalanan, orang-orang asing di jalan meliriknya dengan jijik, bergumam tentang betapa mengerikannya penampilannya. Kata-kata itu begitu menyakitkan, terluka dalam malu. Ketika Wilson sampai di depan pintu rumah Vanessa, Wilson melihat bayangannya sendiri. Ia menyadari betapa cacatnya dirinya. Melihat keadaannya, Wilson berbalik dan menghilang.
You look like an avocado. Had sex with an older, more disgusting avocado.
I'm gonna work through his crew until somebody gives up Francis.
Your face is the stuff of nightmares.
Like a testicle with teeth.
You will die alone. I put all my money on you, and now I just realized I'm never gonna win the,
Deadpool.
Where's Francis?
Salsa water and lemon for blood. Or we're red.
Don't make me ask twice.
You made me ask twice.
You're about to be killed by a Zamboni! Tell me where your boss is, or you're gonna die in 5 minutes!
Mr. Wilson?
Ding ding.
You might want to look away for this. This little piggy went to... And we all know how this turned out.
Setelah Deadpool jatuh ke dalam truk sampah, dia kembali ke apartemennya. Di sana dia tinggal bersama wanita tua dan buta.
Yes, I'm old. I wear pants. Upside of being blind.
Sementara itu, tangannya yang terputus mulai tumbuh kembali, tetapi ukurannya sebesar tangan anak kecil. Ketika wanita buta itu merasakannya, dia tertawa dan berkata tangannya terlalu kecil untuk pria dewasa.
KFC sport.
Looks on everything.
Looks are everything. You ever heard David Beckham speak?
You might want to leave the room.
I bet it feels huge in this hand.
Pada saat yang sama, Ajax mengintensifkan perburuannya sendiri. Dia memerintahkan anak buahnya untuk mencari di mana Wilson berada. Ajax dan Angel Dust melacak bar tempat Wilson bekerja, di mana mereka mengenali wajah Wilson dalam foto lama bersama Vanessa. Angel Dust memaksa Whistle untuk mengungkapkan lokasi Deadpool. Aksinya itu dihentikan Ajax karena dia mendapatkan yang dia inginkan.
Blade 2. Thanks for having my back, guys.
Setelah itu, Whistle menghubungi Deadpool, memberitahunya kalau Ajax dan krunya mengejarnya dan mengincar Vanessa. Deadpool dan Whistle lalu pergi ke klub tempat Vanessa dulu bekerja, berharap bisa bertemu dengannya.
Especially from this angle.
Ketika Deadpool melihat Vanessa, Deadpool ingin mendekatinya, tetapi melihat wajahnya sendiri yang penuh bekas luka membuatnya mengurungkan niatnya. Diliputi rasa tidak nyaman, dia menyelinap ke kamar mandi, mencoba mengumpulkan keberanian untuk mengatakan yang sebenarnya padanya. Sementara itu, Vanessa diberitahu temannya kalau mantan pacarnya memanggilnya dan menunggunya di luar. Vanessa keluar, berharap Wade Wilson yang memanggilnya, namun ternyata itu adalah Ajax.
You have Wade Wilson to thank for this.
Beberapa saat kemudian, Deadpool bergegas kembali dari kamar mandi dan dengan panik bertanya kepada Whistle apa dia melihat Vanessa. Terlena oleh pesona klub, Whistle dengan santai mengatakan kepadanya bahwa dia melihat Vanessa pergi keluar. Ketika Deadpool keluar, dia mendapati bahwa Ajax telah menangkap Vanessa.
Find it! I'm find it! I'm gonna get angry!
He wants you to come to him.
That's all the pieces in the house.
No. Come on, let's go. Cough it up.
Go. I'd go with you, but I don't wanna.
Ripley from Alien 3. Go get silver balls. It's a big house. It's funny that I only ever see 2 of you. It's almost like the studio couldn't afford another X-Man. So, any luck winning Gita back? What was that?
Bandhu, I'm doing as you said, DP. I plan to gut him.
I did not tell him to do that!
Kill him and then win Gita back. Kidnap her. You know what to do.
Where's your duffel bag?
Woo! Superhero landing.
I prefer not to hit a...
You got her, Tiger.
Look away, child. firearms in exchange for. Teabag! Bob? God, come here, you.
Oh, you're on the left. You're beautiful.
That is so sweet. Thanks.
Hey! Climb on!
You all right, beautiful?
Wait.
Don't worry, baby.
Hey, you grow back body parts now, Wade.
I'm totally on top of this! Maximum effort!
I headed to fix this butterface.
What? Did you really think there was a cure?
You can't fix me?
What's my name?
4 or 5 moments, that's all it takes. Over a lifetime, there are only 4 or 5 moments that really matter. To make a sacrifice, conquer a flaw, save a friend, spare an enemy. Why?
You were droning on! I can't even tell you. I deserve that. That too. No. Sorry for leaving.
But maybe the guy under this mask, he ain't the same one that you remember.
In case the other fell off.
Hey, it's a face I'd be happy to sit on.
I'm not the same underneath this suit.
Super penis.
Di akhir film, Deadpool bergabung dengan anggota X-Men dan film pun bersambung. Melanjutkan film sebelumnya, Deadpool melanjutkan pekerjaannya sebagai tentara bayaran. Dia menyelesaikan sebagian besar misinya, membunuh semua targetnya. Tetapi dalam satu tugas, dia gagal membunuh seorang pria yang melarikan diri dari tempat kejadian.
Taking the hands out of the guns of the criminals. Too exotic? Well, let's see Captain America do that. ¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
Oh, God! I got time out! Time out!
My world tour brought me home to this guy. And believe it or not, Deadpool 2 is a family film. That guy's on fire. That's not CGI, folks. A panic room? Really?
In a moment.
Oh, mission accomplished?
Well, in George W. sort of way.
Taxiing is not as sexy as it looks. I want to fill my
Pockets?
I want to fill my soul. I want to belong to something like you, Pool Sir. I want to become a contract killer.
We're here. Sorry I'm late. He's fighting a caped badass. Then we discovered his mom is named Martha, too.
Kiss me like you miss me, right?
Ketika Deadpool tiba di rumah, dia sangat gembira merayakan ulang tahun pernikahan dengan Vanessa. Mereka bertukar hadiah. Deadpool memberikan koin permainan yang mereka beli pada kencan pertama mereka, dan Vanessa memberinya alat kontrasepsi. Vanessa mengatakan kalau mereka harus merencanakan untuk membuat anak dan membangun keluarga di masa depan. Mereka membicarakan masa depan mereka dan bahkan mulai memilih nama untuk anak-anak mereka.
He's gonna go straight to jail.
Di tengah-tengah ini, Deadpool mendengar seseorang membobol rumah dan menyuruh Vanessa bersembunyi di balik sofa.
Can you hear me? Wait, you gotta go home. You've been sitting here for 3 days.
I loved her like an ocean loves water.
An ocean is water.
It means we still have Bowie.
Mr. Paul, David Bowie is...
See pissing?
I'm on it.
There you go. It's open there. Okay, I'm fine.
Denial is just one of the 5 stages of grief.
No more speaking lines for you.
Yes, I have one right here. Don't make a move. This is a stick of money or your life.
I'm thinking it over.
Lucky I didn't shoot you in
The wall? The refrigerator? All I want to do is grab her and see her and tell her that I'm sorry and I can't.
You need to just keep living.
Thank you, Matthew McConaughey.
But we can't really live till we die a little, can we?
I'm about to do something terrible.
Setelah kematian Vanessa, Deadpool mempertanyakan apakah hidupnya sendiri layak untuk dijalani. Lalu dia berniat untuk bunuh diri dengan cara berbaring di atas wadah minyak, membakar dirinya sendiri dan meledak. Dia hancur berkeping-keping, daging dan anggota tubuhnya berterbangan. Dia mendapati dirinya di tempat lain di mana dia melihat Vanessa. Vanessa mengatakan kepadanya bahwa Deadpool belum siap untuk mati karena masih banyak yang harus Deadpool perbaiki. Deadpool tidak mengerti perkataannya dan terbangun di tempat para mutan X-Men karena Deadpool diselamatkan oleh Colossus yang mengumpulkan bagian-bagian tubuh Deadpool yang berserakan dan menyatukannya.
In the fuck knuckles is this?
Sementara di tempat lain, yaitu sekolah mutan, seorang anak laki-laki muda yang ketakutan bernama Russell diperkenalkan. Dan kepala sekolah melakukan tes pada Russell dan berkata kalau semuanya akan baik-baik saja.
No, please don't cry.
Sementara itu, tubuh Deadpool kembali seperti semula, tetapi dia masih merasa sedih kehilangan Vanessa.
I thought you were gonna kiss me for a second there. I killed every last one of them. We were gonna start a family.
You have a good heart. It belongs here where it can grow.
Di sisi lain, seorang pria tiba di sebuah rumah dan mendapati rumah itu hangus terbakar. Dia menemukan mayat-mayat hangus di antara reruntuhan. Melihat itu, dia begitu marah. Pria ini bernama Cable. Dia lalu mengatur jam tangannya dan melakukan perjalanan ke masa lalu. Kemudian di masa kini, diperlihatkan dua pria sedang membicarakan bumi bulat atau datar. Bersamaan dengan itu, Cable tiba mendekati mereka untuk bertanya tahun berapa sekarang. Tetapi mereka terlalu asik dengan obrolan mereka dan mengabaikan Cable. Dengan marah, Cable menembak mereka dan merebut mobil mereka. Sementara itu, Negaik dan Yukio berbicara kepada Deadpool. Mereka mengatakan kepadanya bahwa meskipun dia mulai tinggal bersama mereka, mereka tahu Deadpool tidak akan pernah mengubah kebiasaan buruk lamanya. Namun Deadpool menyangkalnya dan mengatakan kalau dia telah menjadi bagian dari X-Men dan akan membuktikan dirinya sebagai X-Men sejati. Mendengar ini, Colossus senang dan mengatakan bahwa menyelamatkannya adalah keputusan yang tepat.
Excuse me.
Wade, we have mission. Be at the X-Jet in 5.
A mutant boy is appearing to have some sort of an incident. Get away from me! It appears as if the X-Men are arriving.
We're the X-Men, dated metaphor for racism in the 60s.
This is the 5th incident. This kid needs to be in the icebox, not here.
Let me talk to the kid.
I'll burn your balls off! Stay back or Justin Bieber dies.
All right, it's Russell, right?
Fire fist.
Fire. Oh, I'll start from the beginning. My name is Deadpool, and I'm an X-Man.
Trainee!
A wise woman once said to me, "Speak up. I can't hear you with that pity stick in your mouth." Superhero landing coming up. What's that do?
Shuts down all mutant abilities. We can take it from here.
Take me to the icebox, please.
You guys stay there. Those guys hurt you? Both of them? 4 or 5 moments. That's all it takes to be a hero. People think you wake up a hero, ejaculate into a soap dispenser a hero. Being a hero takes only a few moments. Doing the ugly stuff, no one else will do.
That kid was abused. You can tell, you can always tell.
We have rules.
I wonder what gang I'll be in. Is there like a sorting hat? I had no idea hopeless was a color.
We'll sleep well tonight. Let's get a bagel.
Karena kalung di lehernya, kanker Deadpool yang dulunya ditekan oleh kemampuan penyembuhannya kini kembali. Tubuhnya melemah, kelelahan, dan dia merasa lemas. Dia dan Russell dimasukkan ke dalam sel yang sama. Russell mengakui bahwa karena dialah mereka di penjara. Russell berkata, mulai saat ini, apapun yang harus dilakukan, dia akan melakukannya sendiri. Ketika dia keluar dari penjara, orang pertama yang ingin dia bunuh adalah kepala sekolah yang menyebabkan semua penderitaan ini. Dia bahkan menambahkan bahwa dia menyembunyikan pena di antara pantatnya dan dapat menggunakannya untuk melarikan diri.
Entering repair mode.
Keesokan harinya, di saat para narapidana sedang makan, beberapa preman mulai mengganggu Russell dan Deadpool.
White Wade Wilson.
First rule of the yard.
Get a wipe down on the table.
I had so much fun.
Just let me die in peace.
Doesn't end with us riding into the sunset. It ends with me dying of cancer and you winning the Icebox Award for softest mouth.
Back in your cells, you filthy mutants!
That was our cell. What did I do to piss off a grumpy old with a Winter Soldier arm?
¿Dónde está la biblioteca?
Who are you?
You might want to start talking, because I got a long history of firing at times like this.
My name's Cable. I'm from the future. Just walk away.
Does Dopinder ever find love?
So dark! Are you sure you're not from the DC universe? Is that a fanny pack? I used to have one of those in 1990. Never.
Why are you protecting the kid? I don't give a f about him and his "Are You My Mother" complex.
In every film, there's a moment when the hero hits rock bottom. In Human Centipede, it was when those people signed on to be in that movie.
Ness, can you let me in, please?
I'm at the end of my rope.
Kids, give us a chance to be better than we used to be.
Your heart needs to be in the right place. I'm not gonna abandon this kid.
Those muties are being transferred to a supermax 80 miles away.
We need to build a team.
John Wick 3 with the original director.
My body is an instrument of death.
Check and see if there are enough sanitary napkins in the dispenser. It's time to get back on LinkedIn.
Setelah kerusuhan di penjara, kini para mutan itu dipindahkan ke penjara Supermax khusus para mutan.
Hello?
Sementara Deadpool mengumpulkan tim untuk menyelamatkan Russell. Sedangkan Cable mempersiapkan senjatanya, menggabungkan dan meningkatkannya untuk pertempuran yang akan datang. Pada saat yang sama, Russell berteman dengan salah satu narapidana paling berbahaya di penjara, yaitu Juggernaut. Russell mengatakan kepadanya bahwa jika mereka berdua bergabung, tidak ada yang akan mampu menghentikan mereka.
We need a secret code. Lonely at the top, eh?
Cerita kemudian beralih kembali ke Deadpool dan Weasel. Saat mereka terus merekrut anggota baru untuk tim, mereka bertemu beberapa mutan, yaitu Bedum yang dapat mengendalikan medan listrik, Zeitgeist yang mulutnya menyemburkan asam yang dapat melelehkan logam, Vanisher yang dapat menghilang sesuka hati, Domino yang tampaknya memiliki keberuntungan luar biasa, Shatterstar yang mengaku sebagai pejuang kuat dari dimensi lain, dan Peter, seorang pria biasa tanpa kekuatan sama sekali. Meskipun sebagian besar dari mereka tampak seperti orang-orang bodoh, Deadpool merekrut mereka semua dan dengan bangga membual bahwa dia telah membangun tim yang lebih baik daripada Justice League. Dia menamai timnya X-Force. Beberapa waktu kemudian, Cable menangkap Weasel dan mengancamnya untuk mengungkapkan rencana Deadpool.
I don't want you to hurt me and I'll tell you anything.
Intercept the convoy appropriately.
This time makes people soft. What's the most pain you've ever felt? Maybe the kind that leaves you more machine than man. Number one, I'm gonna bend something.
I'm gonna stop you right there because I'm not gonna make it to 2. When I get really scared, I get nervous erections. I have one right now. I don't want you to hurt me and I'll tell you anything you want to know. Except for where they are. Russell's in a convoy heading southbound on Jerry.
Grab the boy, but not inappropriately.
You go after them, Cable. I warn you. There's a wind advisory in effect.
Intercept the convoy and grab the boy.
Let's bring on the carnage, baby.
Vanisher, I have no doubt you look amazing too.
Is anybody nervous about the high winds?
Gary.
My name's Peter.
Never let anything happen to you, Sugar Bear.
Deploy! Vanisher. Really? Oh my God!
Where did the rest of the team land?
The slight chance Vanisher could make it. Nope, no chance. I'm that kid's only hope, so sit tight. Luck is not a superpower. It's just, it's hard to picture. Luck? Once again, it all falls on my shoulders.
Tearing you open!
He's going in through the back! Oh God, he's inside! Hands off that kid, John Connor!
Lady Luck, take the wheel.
Use all of your imaginary powers to stop Cable! Got it! No, I don't.
We got no brakes!
Figure it out!
Knock, knock.
This did not go according to plan. Turns out Domino's a bit of a badass, possibly mildly lucky. Oh, thank God! Oh my God! Juggernaut!
I am a huge fan. Uncanny X-Men, one of these.
I'm gonna rip you in half now.
Oh, I'm going to burn that Hitmaster alive.
You're not the revenge type. I care about you, Russell. What is that? That's not a real rope.
Domino menggendong tubuh Deadpool yang hancur dan membawanya ke rumah teman lamanya, yaitu si nenek buta. Meskipun tercabik-cabik, tubuhnya perlahan mulai bergenerasi berkat kekuatan penyembuhannya. Tak lama kemudian, Weasel, Dopinder, dan Domino tiba dan terkejut melihat betapa kecilnya kaki dan kemaluan Deadpool.
Avocado.
I'm glad everybody dropped by.
But it's really just a sip of tea at this.
Tiba-tiba, Cable datang dan berkata dia tidak ada di sana untuk membunuh mereka. Dia ada di sana untuk meminta bantuan. Cable mengungkapkan bahwa dia berasal dari masa depan di mana dia pernah memiliki keluarga yang dicintainya. Namun, keluarga itu dibakar hidup-hidup oleh Russell. Cable memperingatkan mereka bahwa jika Russell membunuh kepala sekolah sekarang, tindakan itu akan menandai awal dari perubahan yang mengerikan. Begitu Russell mencicipi darah untuk pertama kalinya, nafsu darah akan menguasainya. Kekerasan akan menjadi obsesinya dan dia akan tumbuh menjadi mutan kejam yang menikmati pembunuhan. Karena Juggernaut sekarang bersama Russell, Cable mengakui dia membutuhkan bantuan mereka untuk menghentikannya. Namun, Deadpool menolak untuk membantu membunuh Russell. Dia bersikeras akan membujuk Russell untuk tidak membunuh kepala sekolah dan mencoba membimbingnya menjauh dari kekerasan. Jika mereka dapat mencegah pembunuhan pertama Russell, masih ada kemungkinan masa depan akan berubah dan anak laki-laki itu tidak akan pernah menjadi sosok mengerikan.
30 seconds.
I will bathe in the blood of your enemies.
I bet 50 years from now we're best as buddies.
Years from now, you're very dead.
Spoiler alert.
You're not a fucking hero. You're just an annoying clown dressed up as a sex toy.
So you wear that helmet because your brother tries to read your mind?
Yeah, but he's in a wheelchair, so even Steven.
I was raised in this place.
It's too far gone.
Zip it, Thanos.
Now I'm gonna shove the red guy up the old guy.
I believe him.
Come here, beautiful.
Say it!
Gotcha.
Beat it, midget.
It's time to fight dirty.
Big CGI fight coming up.
He's doing great.
Say it!
Bunch of armed pedophiles in nursing shoes.
You see that bus? I'm gonna shove it up your ass.
Call me, motherfucker! Only best buddies execute pedophiles together.
Wait, he's just a kid on TikTok.
Blessed are the wicked who are healed by my hair.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
That's how we do it in Mother Russia.
Even runs like a pervert.
Like an online predator who lost his laptop. You don't want to hurt anyone. There are people besides him who will treat you right. I never should have left you in that prison.
I can't trust anybody! Can't stop me, Wade!
Wade, what are you doing?
You're gonna kill someone today? Then it's gotta be me. Tell me they got that in slow motion.
You sacrificed yourself for me.
Bear, it worked. I guess my heart was finally in the right place.
I'm so sorry.
Don't be. Sorry I'm late, but I did have to help a kid. What is it? What's wrong?
It's not time.
What are you doing?
Yeah, what's
Steve, genuine high-grade lead. You can't go back.
The family's safe. Now I'm gonna stick around for a while.
Let's go home, Russell.
Your souls are beyond redemption.
Let's see your soul, perv.
I want some more.
That you do, Brown Panther.
Our door's always open.
I'm not ready to date again, let alone two.
Setelah itu, jam perjalanan waktu Cable diperbaiki dan dia kemudian melakukan perjalanan kembali ke masa lalu dan mencegat peluru yang diarahkan ke Vanessa menusuk preman yang menembak sehingga dia selamat. Deadpool kemudian melakukan perjalanan kembali ke saat ekspor terjun payung. Dia menyelamatkan Peter dan menyuruhnya pulang. Dan film pun bersambung. Melanjutkan film sebelumnya, di mana Deadpool melakukan perjalanan waktu dan mulai menggali kuburan Wolverine.
That was weird. I've always wanted to ride with you, Logan. There's nothing that'll bring me back to life faster than a big bag of marble cash.
Damn it!
Throw out your weapons!
There are 206 bones in the human body. 207 if I'm watching Gossip Girl. To be clear, I'm not proud of any of this. To help you understand that, I gotta take you back. Thank you, sir, for seeing me. Now, I know I was caught smasturbating in the lobby of Stark Towers, but I can assure you those toy Hulk hands, you ravaged the midsection.
I get it. Okay.
Yeah. I want to matter. I need to show my girl that I matter. Whoa, look, I can see this isn't going well. I want to be an Avenger.
Avengers are a very unique group of superheroes.
What's your superpower? Is it parallel parking? I'm so sorry. That was cruel. I don't want to spend the rest of my life like an annoying one-trick pony.
Now, the problem might be that you're reaching a little too high. We'll keep an eye on you. Good luck.
When one door closes, your locker at work opens.
6 tahun kemudian, Deadpool telah pensiun dari pekerjaan tentara bayarannya dan sekarang bekerja sebagai konsultan penjualan mobil. Di tempat kerja, temannya Peter yang juga penggemar beratnya menyarankan agar dia kembali ke pekerjaan tentara bayarannya. Tapi Deadpool mengatakan kepadanya bahwa dia telah meninggalkan kehidupan itu dan ingin menjadi lebih baik membangun keluarga dengan Vanessa. Malam itu, saat pulang bersama Peter, Deadpool memperhatikan beberapa orang yang mencurigai, mengambil fotonya dan mengawasinya. Tapi karena itu hari ulang tahunnya, dia tidak menghiraukan mereka. Ketika dia memasuki apartemennya bersama Peter, mantan pacar Deadpool yaitu Vanessa dan semua teman dekatnya mengejutkannya dengan pesta ulang tahun.
Make any sales today?
You know I didn't.
I can't keep carrying you.
Relax. You watch anything good?
Great British Bake Off.
Hi, Yukio.
Hi, Wade. Oh, I got a promotion.
No way.
Hasn't gotten me shot yet.
Well, every spin around the moon is a new adventure indeed.
Son, dumbass.
Okay, round earther. But I'm happy because of each and every one of you. I'm the luckiest man alive. Can't see your eyes through the mask, but I can feel them. We're gonna move on down the hallway. Pegging isn't new for me, friendo, but it is for Disney.
You appear to have soiled yourself while unconscious.
I wasn't unconscious.
We're in charge of defending what's known as the sacred timeline. Walk with me. In fact, you've been chosen for a higher purpose from a possibly grisly fate sometime in the future, which may very well need to be avenged.
Cap.
You can be a hero among heroes.
Is that me? Is that Thor? Is he crying?
We believe you're ready now. Ready for a chance to leave your timeline.
I am Messiah. I am Marvel Jesus. I'm going to Disneyland. There is one thing I will need, though. It's perfect! Your tailor is a predator. Your underwear is getting tighter. That guy knows what I'm talking about.
I'm really glad you're taking this so well.
Zip me back home so I can let my friends know that they've been upgraded.
There will be no home to return to. This is your universe. See how it decays from the inside? This is how a reality dies. An anchor being is an entity of such vital importance. When they die, their whole world slowly withers.
I didn't die.
Can you imagine if you were the anchor being?
Yeah.
I am referring, of course, to the Wolverine.
This is what it feels like.
How long have we got?
In most cases, a couple of thousand years. We used to just prune these things. Simple, elegant.
What in the MacGuffin is that?
That's a time ripper. You see, I don't want to work for the TVA. I want to be the TVA. And the first step involves showing this organization how much more efficient it can become. You can either rejoin your loved ones and collectively cease to exist, or you join the sacred timeline. You can finally matter.
That's all I've ever really wanted. I'll do it. Which brings us back to this.
Now we're talking! Logan was the only thing worth to ever come out of Canada.
Get my country's name out of your mouth.
I'm out here. Uh-oh, Richard. Oh, wow.
My country's name
Out your
I'm going to, okay?
Let's get myself out.
Logan!
Who's asking?
Such a cute widow Wovie. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, yes, yes. You fought the Hulk in this outfit, no? You know, from behind, you look a little bit like Henry. Oh, my! The Cavalrine. Ooh, you have anchor being written all over you. I'm just I'm auditioning anchor beings. Oh. What in the... Are you okay?
You were just leaving.
Fate of my universe is at... I'm Marvel Jesus, you dull creature, and I will not... Yeah! It's gonna need some coconut oil.
Again.
Akhirnya, Deadpool berakhir di sebuah bar tempat dia menemukan Wolverine yang tampak sedang depresi dan terlihat mabuk. Deadpool memaksa Wolverine ini untuk bergabung dengannya sambil menodongkan senjata. Wolverine berdiri untuk melawan Deadpool, tetapi sebelum itu, dia menenggak sebotol whisky dan jatuh pingsan.
It's okay, keep going. Ooh, look at those jammies.
Deadpool kemudian membawa Wolverine kembali ke TVA dan memperkenalkannya kepada Paradox. Namun, Paradox memberitahu Deadpool bahwa dia telah membawa varian Wolverine terburuk yang tidak akan pernah bisa menjadi manusia bercakar dan buas. Paradox mengungkapkan bahwa Wolverine ini adalah kegagalan dan sangat mengecewakan dunianya sendiri. Tak lama kemudian, Wolverine sadar kembali dan sedikit kebingungan kenapa dia ada di sini. Deadpool lalu meminta solusi lain, tetapi Paradox mengingatkannya bahwa dia telah diberi pilihan sebelumnya dan tidak ada jalan keluar lain. Deadpool kemudian menyatakan bahwa dia akan berbicara dengan bos Paradox tentang situasi tersebut.
You sick fucks are doing down here, well, and I'm gonna tell them all about you. Don't just stand there, you ape. Give me a hand up. Nope, I'm actually okay, thank you very much. I heard all about you. Screwed up everything. Gotcha. I can fix it.
Fix what?
Whatever it is that you did, we get back there, and we can fix your world together.
We fight each other, we lose.
Now that's a superhero landing. Who's they?
Stay close.
Aye, Captain.
You're not gonna love what happens next.
Avengers!
Flame on!
Sorry, what now?
We don't know that guy.
We thought we did.
Ready to die.
Good luck, I'm a huge fan.
The head of your precious queen, Furiosa!
Mereka kemudian ditangkap dan dibawa ke Cassandra. Dalam perjalanan, Johnny menjelaskan bahwa di kehampaan, orang-orang bekerja untuk Cassandra atau bersembunyi dari monster The Void di perbatasan. Johnny lebih lanjut mengungkapkan bahwa kehampaan adalah tempat pembuangan bagi mereka yang berbuat jahat terhadap multiverse. Tak lama kemudian, mereka tiba di markas Cassandra yang dibangun di dalam tubuh Ant-Man raksasa.
Oh, you must be this year's Jug. Hey, Chuck!
A Wolverine!
Cassandra Nova memperkenalkan dirinya sebagai saudara kembar Charles Xavier.
Good feeling about this.
Deadpool dengan sarkastis menyebutkan bahwa Johnny sudah memberitahu mereka tentang dia dan menyebut Cassandra sebagai kutukan.
You picked the wrong time to make new friends.
Oh, Johnny told us all about you.
Maybe shut up now.
Yeah, maybe don't. We're just talking here. Yeah, Johnny told us you're a psychotic, megalomaniacal asshole. His words, not mine. Hell-bent on domination and pain.
You said all that about me.
No. No!
It's like you said in the convoy. This finger-licking, dead-inside pixie slab of third-rate dime store nut milk can eat your delicious cinnamon ring.
Wait, I don't even know what half of that means. I don't...
You just got him
killed.
Hey, we're all grieving! P.S. Do you know what he was doing to the budget? This may be hard to hear, but there's another British villain. Either you help us, or my friend here is gonna sing the entire second act of Music Man with zero warm-up.
Except maybe the Wolverine could be truly terrifying together.
Not good. Fingers are inside me, but not in a good way.
I've got you. I've got you.
I'm right here.
Then show me. You gotta do something. I know you're going through something. Your crazy matches my crazy.
Say, I don't want you. I don't want to be with you. Tell me that and I'll walk away. Say, I don't want you.
You'll never matter.
She never said that.
But I bet she thought it. Big guy needs to eat and the rent is due.
Herbert! Go! I'm telling Blake.
Find the others, that poor kid Johnny was talking about, before you got him killed.
Poor kid, he's like 50.
I smell food.
Kemudian mereka berhenti di sebuah kafe yang terbengkalai untuk makan. Wolverine yang sudah kecanduan alkohol lalu meminum sebotol alkohol gosok. Deadpool mencoba bertanya kepada Wolverine tentang masa lalunya, tetapi Wolverine menolak untuk menjawab. Deadpool kemudian berkata kalau di dunianya Wolverine adalah pahlawan legendaris. Karena penasaran, Wolverine bertanya bagaimana dia meninggal di alam semesta Deadpool. Deadpool menjelaskan bahwa kekuatannya melemah dan dia meninggal saat menyelamatkan seorang gadis mutan dengan kemampuan yang mirip dengannya. Saat mereka melanjutkan perjalanan, Deadpool bertemu dengan versi anjing dirinya dan langsung ingin memeliharanya. Tepat saat itu, varian Deadpool lainnya tiba mengejar Dogpool.
Who are you? Everybody calls me Nice Pool. Are those gold-plated 50 caliber Desert Eagle pistoleros? Of course. Careful where you put your hand. She's 90% G-spot, and she'll let you know it. Why are you so nice? It costs nothing to be kind. We're looking for a group of survivors. Oh, they're out there.
Do you know where it is?
It would be my honor.
You're gonna have to give me my dog back, though.
No! We're running away!
If they could fix your world, what's the first thing you're gonna do when you get out of here?
No! You lied! No, I made an educated wish! I don't know anything about saving worlds. You know how to save them.
One more word.
Gubernatorial.
You couldn't even save a relationship with a goddamn stripper. You got nothing to say, mouth?
Slower! You are Wonder...
Electra.
You look like the superhero version of Hawkeye.
The name's Remy Labo. They call me the Gambit. You know, we never had a Wolverine up in here.
And you thought you were retired.
Retarded.
Retired.
There's 4 of us.
There's 4. Wait, is it Magneto?
He's dead.
So who brought us here?
That would be me. Don't make me regret it.
Logan, that's her. That's X-23.
People like us don't go quietly. TVA knows that, so they took us out.
The only way out of the void is through her.
Every time one of us has gone up against her, they die. The Punisher, the Quicksilver, the Daredevil, even that sweet baby angel, Johnny Storm.
Whoever this Johnny fella is, I'm sure he's thriving. But you can avenge them. It's what Johnny would have wanted. He may have survived.
If he survived that.
Thank you, Dr. Wolverine. He was like a brother to me. If we can block her psychic powers, we can get a leg up. I know it.
Only other helmet that strong is Juggernaut.
Yes! Yes! Let this man cook! This is what I'm talking about.
We're doing this.
You're all dead.
My God, read the room.
Wolverine sedang depresi dan menolak untuk bergabung dengan mereka. Wolverine lebih memilih untuk fokus minum Amer. Laura mendekati Wolverine malam itu, menceritakan bagaimana Wolverine yang lain menyelamatkannya. Tapi Wolverine yang ini merasa tak berarti dan menjelaskan bagaimana dia mengecewakan dunianya. Laura mengingatkan Wolverine bahwa mereka akan menghadapi Cassandra esok hari. Dan tanpa Wolverine, mereka tidak akan berhasil. Namun Wolverine menolak untuk bergabung dan mengatakan mengatakan bahwa ini bukan pertarungannya dan jika Laura percaya padanya, dia salah orang. Laura menjawab dengan mengatakan bahwa Wolfram selalu menjadi orang yang salah sampai akhirnya menjadi orang paling dibutuhkan di waktu yang tepat.
Wherever you think I am, you got the wrong guy.
Sementara itu, Piero, seorang informan Paradox, sedang berkomunikasi dengannya. Piero memberitahunya bahwa Deadpool dan Wolfram telah melarikan diri dari Cassandra dan bergabung dengan yang lain. Mengetahui itu, Paradox tidak ingin mengambil resiko. Paradox memberi Piero tugas untuk membunuh Cassandra sebelum dia atau siapapun memutuskan untuk melarikan diri dari kehampaan. Keesokan paginya, Deadpool, Blade, dan timnya berkendara menuju markas Cassandra.
What Gambit's trying to say? Where do you get that little beauty?
That's Punisher's.
You know how long I've been waiting for this? Woo, I'm about to make a name for myself here.
We'll make sure you get the package.
And we'll get our ending.
Escaping I could live with, but coming back, upsy daisy. What's going on in here?
I want to be the man that Charles thought I was.
I've got you.
I got you.
What? This is our only chance to fix our shit!
I know your brother. He would not let me stand here and watch you die. This is for Charles.
My brother loved you.
He loved all of us.
I have about 4 seconds before you're Elias' food.
Wade and I are a team, so I'll see he gets half the command.
It's Wolverine.
They're gonna make him do this till he's 90.
How much longer before the Time Ripper is active?
We're running the final safety check.
Why was Thor crying?
Paradox. You come for the king.
You know she doesn't wash that hand.
I'm going to use your little Time Ripper, and I'm going to destroy this universe. Don't worry, I've called some friends to make sure we're not disturbed.
Cassandra membaca pikiran Paradox, mempelajari segala sesuatu tentang mesin itu. Cassandra memaksanya untuk mengaktifkan mesin tersebut. Sementara Deadpool dan Wolfram sadar kembali, mereka melihat sesuatu muncul dari portal. Yang mengejutkan mereka, itu adalah Dogpool dan ratusan Deadpool lainnya dengan versi yang berbeda. Saat Deadpool mencoba menyapa mereka, Deadpool malah dihujani peluru. Deadpool menggunakan N-Pool sebagai perisai untuk melindungi dirinya. Deadpool menyadari kalau N-Pool tidak memiliki kekuatan regenerasi.
I'm paralyzed. We all have problems. Listen to me.
You're gonna live.
Say it.
Sweet little puppy.
This is for him.
Are you ready?
I guess these ones regenerate. Wait, you guys know Peter?
Deadpool dan Wolverine menuju untuk menghadapi Paradox. Namun Paradox mengungkapkan bahwa mereka sudah terlambat. Time Reaper telah diaktifkan dan Cassandra sedang menyerap energinya. Setelah dia sepenuhnya menyerapnya, dia akan memiliki kekuatan untuk menghancurkan garis waktu dan tidak ada yang bisa menghentikannya. Namun, ada satu cara untuk mencegah hal ini. Seseorang perlu menggabungkan dua jalur kekuatan dari materi dan antimateri penghancur waktu untuk menciptakan korsleting. Tetapi siapapun yang melakukan ini akan hancur lebur sekecil atom. Mendengar ini, Deadpool dan Wolverine berdebat tentang siapa yang harus mengorbankan diri. Wolverine bersikeras bahwa dialah yang harus melakukannya karena Deadpool memiliki teman-teman untuk dia lindungi. Sedangkan Wolverine tidak punya siapa-siapa. Pada awalnya Deadpool tampak setuju, tetapi dalam gerakan tiba-tiba dia menguncil Wolverine di luar ruangan energi, memutuskan untuk mengambil resiko sendiri untuk menghentikan Cassandra dengan menyerap energi dan integritas garis waktu.
He's not gonna make it.
The Wolverine. He's a hero in my world.
Whoever you think I am, you got the wrong guy.
You were always the wrong guy. Till you weren't.
Wade, you can finally matter.
Vanessa.
First time in my life, I am proud to wear this suit.
We had some strange readings from this location.
She was here, and she fondled my brain. How did you let this happen? My men, I warned them that they would be completely obliterated.
He has risen, baby girl. Found your new anchor being.
And we're doing just fine.
How are you two still alive?
Take it.
I was just doing what you don't have the guts to do!
And you shouldn't even be near this timeline.
He's welcome.
Your universe is regenerating. I have a feeling your work is only just getting started.
Shawarma?
I could eat.
Yeah. You know the Avengers discovered shawarma.
Oh.
Oh, all is right in the world.
See you, bub.
Logan!
Pada akhirnya, Deadpool mengundang Wolverine untuk makan malam bersama teman-temannya. Di sana, atas saran Wolverine, Deadpool akhirnya mengakui perasaannya kepada Vanessa, mengatakan padanya bahwa dia melakukan semua ini untuknya. Mendengar ini, Vanessa memegang tangannya dan Deadpool berkata bahwa terkadang orang yang kita selamatkan akhirnya menyelamatkan kita juga. Dan film pun berakhir.